Hey guys, how is it going? Welcome back to the 14th tutorial of my introduction to JavaScript series. For inside this tutorial, we go to discuss methods. But before we continue, I will quickly use this opportunity to tell you, say, if you never subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly use this time to do so because your subscription are waiting to give me ginger and motivation to always make videos like this. So let's get started. Okay, before we get started, I will quickly do a refresher on array because in the previous tutorial, say 13 tutorial or so, I've been discussed within array be and how to declare an array. So a quick refresher could just be say I talk say let numbers equal to list of number. So you get say I talk say okay here I get 1, I get 4, I get 7, 9, and make I just stop them like that. So you get uh okay, make I just put like 0 here. Then I will put comma. Right. So array na container wey contain wey dey hold multiple value inside. Shey you get. So these numbers wey dey here like this, you fit imagine am to be an array variable because multiple information dey inside. So wetin method be exactly? Method na code wey dey perform a particular action. You fit imagine method again to be a code wey dey perform operation for us. And you go see say for inside this our array wey dey here like this, we fit perform so many operation on these numbers wey dey here. For example, if you wan search for 4 here, say okay, inside all this number I dey look for 4. That process of searching for 4, right, na activity, na operation. So we dey use method to perform operation. So again, method na block of code wey dey perform operation for us. Shey you get. So for here like this, I can't get list of method wey we fit perform on top our array. So in just few seconds now, we go just perform all this operation, and now you go come see how methods dey work, right? So wetin I go just do now be say I go just first perform this pop operation, right? So wetin pop dey do exactly be say e dey comot the last element wey dey inside our array. Shey you get. So wetin I go just do now be say I go just perform this pop operation and you go see how e dey work. So I go just come here like this, talk say okay, numbers dot pop, right? Then I go just open and close this parenthesis wey dey here like this. So you get. Then I go just talk say okay, as I don pop out number now like this, then I go wan console console dot log. Then I go just print out the numbers. Right. So wetin dey happen for here exactly be say, so as I remove the last element for inside line 3 here, so like this, then I go come dey print out the remaining elements wey dey inside our numbers, right? So if I press Ctrl B now, you go see say our 9 don delete from inside that array. Shey you get. We don remove that 9. So pop na wetin we dey use, na the operation wey dey remove the last element for inside our array. Shey you get. So if I wan do reverse now, you fit just imagine wetin reverse dey do exactly. So reverse go just turn this this array wey dey here, you go just reverse am, say 9 go come first, 7 go follow am, 4 go follow am, 0 go follow am, then 1 go come become last. So you go come invert am. So wetin I go just do be say I go just type reverse here like this. Reverse, shey you get. Then I go press Ctrl B. Now you see say our array don reverse. Shey you get. So now we get 9, 7, 4, 0, and 1. Shey you get. Now another operation wey we fit perform for inside our array be say I will just clear this one like this. So another method operation wey we fit perform na this push operation. So wetin we dey take add extra information inside already declared array na push. So wetin I go just do now be say I go just talk say okay, numbers dot push. Then I go push in new elements. I go just talk say okay, I wan push in 6, right? Then I go just come here talk say okay, make I close the program. Then I go just press Ctrl B. Now you see say when I put push here like this, I dey push new elements wey be 6 inside this array, right? So you just come here talk say okay, 1, 0, 4, 7, 9, and 6. So push dey add new element to the end of our array. Shey you get. So the next operation wey we go perform here like this, the next method na shift. So wetin this shift dey do for us be say e dey remove the first element wey dey inside our array. Shey you get. So this element wey dey here, this first one, so this one wey dey here, if we perform this shift operation, e go just remove this one wey dey here, right? So I go just come here talk say okay, I go just talk say numbers dot shift, right? And I go just close this program here, come press Ctrl B. Now you see say when I press Ctrl B, 1 don disappear for inside this our array. right? E come start from 0. So as pop dey remove information from behind, shift dey remove information from front. Shey you get? So the next one wey we go just discuss now na this unshift, right? So we dey use unshift to add information to the front of the array, right? So wetin I go just do now be say I go just come here, talk say okay, numbers dot unshift, then which number I wan come add to the beginning of the array like this. Make I just add 3, right? Then I go come here, I go just close this program here. So if I press Ctrl B now, you see say when we first run this program like this, right? I push 6 to the I push 6 inside this array, and you know say push dey add information to the end of the array. So we have 6 here. So this line 4, e dey remove information from the front of the array, right? So na wetin shift operation dey do for us be that. So when this line 4 come execute, 1 go come comot inside this our array, right? So you see say we no see 1 here inside our array when we come run am again, right? And this unshift wey dey this line 5, so we dey use this unshift to add information to the front of the array. Na why we come see 3 here like this for inside our array. So as e be say we don discuss method for inside this tutorial so like this, na so e go be for inside this tutorial. I go see you for the next tutorial.